Hi guys, it's the first rain of this year 2023. My auntie and my sister Tessie are just coming from the farm. They went to fetch wood. You can see my sister Foma. She's arranging the wood. You know, Foma is a very shy girl. She's the shy type. Oh. She's very shy. You can see my sister Tessie. Tessie is trying to park the bicycle. You can see her. You can see Tessie. Tessie is giving Foma a happy hand, but I'm still going to join them. I will soon join them because I don't want the workload to be too much on them. I will soon join them. You can see, look at all the wood. The atmosphere is not okay. You can see all the wood. This is the kitchen, so we have to arrange the wood now. We just have to arrange the wood. This is Foma. Say hi, Foma. Tell them hi. So we are trying to arrange the wood. This is where we normally arrange our wood. We have to put this rubber in the corner so that there will be space for us to arrange. Let's tell them hi now. Hi everyone. Hi. The atmosphere is very dark today. We are just coming back from the farm. We are just coming back from the farm. See, I can go here. So this is where we used to put the wood. This is where we used to put the wood. This is where we normally arrange our wood. If this is how you arrange your wood in your village, you can let me know. This is truly African village. This is how we do it. We are just coming from the farm. These are the woods that we fetch from the farm. And the atmosphere is cloudy and it's raining a little. You can see my sister. We are just in the mood. You can see my sister, she's singing with me. This is how we live in the village. I love my life in the village. This is how life is. You have to tidy everywhere so that the wood will not injure anyone. But if you injure someone, and that means that you are going to spend money. Okay? So I have to set the fire now. We are about to cook food. I have to set the fire. Good woman. That is my sister. Tessie wants to keep the wheelbarrow. Go no, go do your thing. So I want to cook something. I don't know why this fire is off so easy. These are sharp. Sometimes when the fire is not lighting, you need to put some sharp to make it light faster. So we are trying to make sure light comes out of the fire. Sometimes if the light is not coming out, you just need to put your pulse and you give it some time, some minutes. The thing will just light up. Oh, my fire is lighting now. You can see. You can see the fire is lighting now. I got it. Oh, they tell me. Now you could generate. So I'm telling my sister to go and bring spoon.